Feeling the burn? No one knows heartburn quite like a pregnant woman. What's more, you may well experience pregnancy heartburn discomfort during all 3 trimesters. Rest assured that you're not alone. Nearly half of expectant moms have heartburn during pregnancy. Here's more about pregnancy heartburn and what you can do about it. Early in pregnancy, your body produces large amounts of the hormones progesterone and relaxing, which tend to relax smooth muscle tissues throughout your body, including those in your gastrointestinal tract. As a result, food sometimes moves more slowly through your system, resulting in indigestion issues of all kinds, from that bloated, gassy feeling to heartburn. This may be uncomfortable for you, but it's actually beneficial for your baby. This digestive slowdown allows for better absorption of nutrients into your bloodstream and subsequently through the placenta and into your baby. Heartburn occurs when the ring of muscle that separates the esophagus from the stomach relaxes, allowing food and harsh digestive juices to back up from the stomach to the esophagus. These stomach acids irritate the sensitive esophageal lining, causing a burning sensation right around where the heart is located, thus the term heartburn, though the problem has nothing to do with your heart. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have much more healthy content. Where this came from. How do you treat heartburn during pregnancy? There are several ways to control and treat heartburn during pregnancy. And with so many options, and so much time, you'll probably try them all. Chew on sugarless gum. Doing so for about half an hour after meals increases saliva production, which can neutralize excess acid in your esophagus. Concerned about artificial sweeteners during pregnancy? Sugarless gum is fine in moderation. If you're among the women who find that mint-flavored gum exacerbates heartburn, choose a non-minty gum. Add almonds. Eat a few almonds after each meal, since these tasty nuts neutralize the juices in the stomach, which may relieve or even prevent heartburn. Get milk. Soothe with a small glass of almond milk after every meal or just when the heartburn hits. You'll also get the added bonus of calcium. Some moms to be find cooling comfort in warm milk mixed with a tablespoon of honey. Pop papaya. Fresh, dried, or freeze-dried papaya helps relieve heartburn for some women, and there's added bonus vitamins A and C too. There are plenty of preventive measures and soothing strategies you can try for pregnancy heartburn. Here are a few we recommend. Avoid trigger foods. If a food brings on the burn or other stomach troubles, take it off the menu for now. Some foods are known to trigger heartburn, including highly seasoned or spicy food, fried or fatty foods, processed meats, chocolate, caffeine, carbonated beverages, mint and citrus. Don't drink and eat at the same time. Too much fluid mixed with too much food will distend the stomach, aggravating heartburn. No late night snacks. Take your last big meal at least 2 hours before bedtime so your stomach can get started on digestion before you lie down for the night. Avoid digestive overload. Smaller meals and snacks are the solution to many pregnancy symptoms, from heartburn to bloating to lagging energy. Take it slowly. Chewing is the first step in the digestive process. The more you chew, the less work your stomach has to do. Keep it loose. Wear clothes that breathe. Hold your head up. Make sure to sit upright while eating, and stay that way for a couple of hours afterwards. Take advantage of gravity to help keep those gastric juices where they belong. Watch your weight. Keep your pregnancy weight gain gradual and moderate, depending on your starting weight, within the 25 to 35 pound recommended range. Don't smoke. It's yet another reason to quit today, if you haven't already. And it's not even the best one. Relax for relief. Stress compounds all gastric upset, so learning to chill can ease the burn. Try out these methods and let us know, did they work for you? Or maybe someone you know? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.